friends. Today I will demonstrate how NFC enabled phones can be used to complete the PPM or the housekeeping jobs. So ideally what is a NFC tag is it is a tag, a low frequency tag where the device need to be touched like around 1 centimeter, 1 to 2 centimeter away from the tag. So for example I will just show you one tag attached. So this you can see here. This is one of the NFC tag I have attached. Okay, here for demo purpose. So this round is a NFC tag. Okay, like you can see here now more clear. So this NFC tag is attached, and I will just show you how like facility management app by FactTech can be used by the technician to resolve it. So I'm just opening the technician app. This is the facility technician app. So once we open this, view will come, and here I need to touch the when I touch, tag detected will come, and you can see this is the this NFC tag we attached to a DG, and you can see here different work orders open for the DG. So I'm just clicking on a check. Okay, so whatever work orders are assigned to me, that I will see here. Now I can fill the checklist. Okay, so this is simple. So the value it add like with the NFC tags, what is the advantage is there cannot be no proxies. Okay, like QR codes can be take photo and can be scanned from anywhere, but NFC tags, the phone or tab NFC enabled phone or tag need to be just 1 or 2 centimeter away from the tag, then only it will open. Okay. So that is what, and then he can complete the work. So you can take photo, post task image, and other things we can take it. Okay, just for example this we can click. So all these options are available. So these instruction set, depending on your need, it can be done. Okay, thank you.